None of those ordinary tourist traps for you. We're uncovering the secret treasures of the American countryside. Ready, set, explore. Our first stop, the charming village of Leiper's Fork, Tennessee. Population? Barely enough to start a football team. But the BBQ? Oh man, worth every bite. Next, we're off to Marfa, Texas. Ever seen a giant Prada store in the middle of nowhere? Now you have. Plus, those mysterious Marfa lights will have you questioning your sanity. How about a detour to Solvang, California? A little slice of Denmark in the Golden State, where the pastries are as hard to pronounce as they are delicious. Don't miss the breathtaking landscapes of Taos, New Mexico. Art, culture, and views that'll make your Instagram pop. So next time you're itching for an adventure, remember, the American countryside is calling. And it's got some pretty fantastic stories to tell. Happy travels, folks!